Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine today. And what about you?
I am also fine.
First of all, may I ask your name?
My name Kunal, and what about you?
My name is Rohit.
Where are you from?
I'm from Narod, Badot. And what about you? Where are you from?
I am from Budot. What do you want to be?
I want to be army officer. So may I ask your qualification?
Yes, I have passed 12th. And what about you?
I have,
What is your qualification?
I also passed 12th. So what are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays, learning spoken English and study BTech. And what about you?
And nowadays I'm preparing for ND exam and learn spoken English.
And have you taken breakfast?
Yes, I have taken my breakfast.
Where have you taken breakfast?
I have taken my breakfast at my home. And what about you? Have you taken breakfast?
Yes, I have taken breakfast.
And where have you taken breakfast?
I have taken breakfast, bread and milk in my breakfast. And what about you? What have you breakfast?
I have take one glass milk and two banana in my breakfast. So, and
Do you study?
yes, I study.
Where do you study?
I study in library
Why do you study library?
because I need to study in library.
How do you prepare your ND exam?
I daily practice. I practice daily.
Do you know how to prepare your ND exam?
Yes, I know how to prepare NDA
Tell
exam.
me.
No, I would not like to tell you how to prepare NDA exam.
Why do you not tell me your ND exam?
Just like that.
Okay, sir. And about your family?
My I have about my family. So there are 6 members in my family. And what about you? What
My
is your
about my family. So there are 4 members in my family. What is your hobby?
My hobby is to play cricket and listen music. And what is your and what about you? What is your hobbies?
My hobbies play games.
Which type of game do you play?
I play PUBG.
PUBG. You play PUBG daily?
Yes, I play PUBG daily.
How many hours do you play PUBG daily?
Uh, I play PUBG 1 2 hours. And what about you?
No, I don't play PUBG.
And do you want to study?
Yes, I want to study.
Where do you want to study?
I want to study in Boston campus
Why do you want to study Boston campus?
because I like to study in Boston campus.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will come tomorrow. And what about you? Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will come tomorrow. At what time will you come
I
tomorrow?
will come tomorrow at 8 o'clock. And what about you? At what time will you come tomorrow?
I will come tomorrow 8 o'clock. Who's your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Allu Arjun. And what about you? Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Elvis Yadav.
Elvis Yadav is not right. Okay.
It is influencer.
Yes.
Uh, what is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie, Bollywood movie,
And
action movie.
thank you, sir. See you tomorrow.
Have a great time. See you.